Hello friends, hope you are all doing very well. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a Sindhi breakfast recipe which is Seyal Maanyun. It's very popular one. Earlier I have posted the recipe of Radhala Maanyun and this is a different one. This is made with green masala, but I had posted a video of Seyal bread which is also made in the same way. Green masala is made from mint, coriander, garlic, onion, all these are ground together, and this flavorful masala is used to cook the leftover rotis. It's amazing. This dish is really very delicious and you are going to love it, and this is a good way of using leftover rotis also. So let's proceed to make Seyal Maanyun. Seyal Maanyun or Seyal Fulka. This is a popular Sindhi breakfast. Leftover rotis are cooked with flavorful green masala and some spices. This is very delicious. Do give it a try. Make and enjoy it immediately. It tastes very good when it is served hot. For this we'll require green masala 1 to 1.5 cups. This is made with coriander, mint leaves, garlic, ginger, onion and tomato. All these are ground together. I have already posted this video. You can see the link in the description box. Here we have 6 to 7 rotis. Oil about 6 tablespoons. Some salt to taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. The recipe link and ingredients list also is shared in the description box. Now let's begin the cooking process. Heat oil in a pan. The Seyal Maanyun requires a little more oil, so be liberal with the oil. Add the green masala and saute it. Look at the vibrant green color. The masala is really very flavorful. Cook it by stirring it intermittently. Add salt and the spice powders. Give it a stir, cover and simmer till the masala gets cooked. Now dip in the roti pieces. Toss them with the masala until it gets nicely coated on the rotis. Now add 1.5 cups of water. For the time being, add this much. Later, if required, you can add more because the quantity depends on the freshness of the rotis. If they are 1 day old, then they take less water. If they are little older, you might have to add little more. Now cover the pan and let them cook on low flame. Keep stirring in between. After each minute you open and stir so that they don't get stuck to the pan. I'm adding half cup more. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, they are nearly done. Check the salt and also a small bit to see if the roti is cooked. Adjust the salt if required, add little more and give it a stir. Now I'm going to simmer it for half a minute or so. Serve them immediately. These rotis taste better when you serve them hot. These take less than 10 minutes to cook, so you can plan accordingly and serve them hot. Because when you keep them for some time, they become like a lump. You will not enjoy them. There are many ways of cooking leftover rotis. This is made with green masala. I had also earlier posted Radhala Maanyun, which is cooked with lot of garlic and mustard seeds tempering. So whenever there are rotis left, you can make different varieties each time. So check out those recipes also, and do try out other Sindhi breakfast dishes like Koki, Dal Pakwan, Seyun Patata. All these links I am sharing in the description box. Give them a try. I am sure you are going to enjoy these traditional Sindhi breakfast dishes. You can garnish with some slit chilies. For those who like it spicier, can have a bite of the chili. Here we go. So garma garam Seyal Maanyun is ready to be served. I'm sure you're going to love this dish a lot. So friends, happy cooking and stay tuned for more recipes. Take care and bye until next. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.